Greetings, fellow Earthlings. Welcome back to Super Genki, my magazine show where the limits are, there are no limits. My name is Jerry Cody and this is my channel. Today I'm going to share with you two of my ways that I clean my makeup brushes. One is my technique that I've been doing for years, which is an easy, lazy way just to get your brushes clean quickly when you just need to have that brush when you need it to blend and put your makeup on. And the other way is the deep cleanse, which we should do every week to our brushes. So if you're interested to see my little tips of cleaning, my ideas of how I do this, then keep on watching. Before I show you my techniques and my cleaning ideas, first I'd like to say that people will say, oh, we have these switch tins now, you know, where we can just swirl our brush around in this little metal tin and get them clean and it's fine. No, these are really bad for your brushes. What they do is they loosen the bristles, they tug at them, and if you invest money in good brushes, do not use them. They're just not worth it. My technique is very, very simple, very quick, very easy and very effective. I've been using it for years and I've had some of my brushes for many years because of this. So that's one thing. And it's very important that we clean our brushes, because how can we have a beautiful blend, a flawless, seamless complexion if we have mucky makeup brushes? Of course, bacteria, we need to clean them. Here we are, dirty makeup brushes, we all have them, and I have two ways, as I said before, how I'm going to show you to clean them. So the first way is a very, very quick way, and this quick way, or you could call it the lazy way, is using some cleansing wipes. Antibacterial preferably would be better, but for demonstrative purposes today I'm going to use these ones, which are just your regular generic beauty wipes, and of course good old-fashioned kitchen towel. This is an extra strong absorbative one, so yeah, I will move on and show you how I do the nice quick easy cleaning. Here I have a very, very dirty brush, one of my favorite brushes actually for highlighting or putting on powder or actually blending concealer. So I've got a nice board here, which is a cooking board, a breadboard obviously. You can use anything you want. It's just I'm using this area here in my kitchen to film this. So we take one of these wipes and put it flat on the board and hold it tautly in the middle, so you're holding it to keep the strength there. And I take the brush and basically in circular movements just round and round and round and round and round basically, and keeping the taut tissue with the two fingers, the thumb and the forefinger, and just keep swirling, 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 swirling. And I'm going to use as much of this cloth as possible. So look, already we're getting a nice cleaning condition of this brush. So then I basically just massage the brush. This is just a quick and easy way where you don't want to do the full, you know, water and cleansing soap of your brushes. This helps, you know, keep the brush nice and clean so you're able to blend and, you know, make sure that your makeup is flawless. And of course, number one, dirty brushes, bacteria. We don't want bacteria, because bacteria will make the skin blotchy, create loads of imperfections and build up over time. So, you know, taking care of your brushes, this is such a quick way. See how I've done that? Then I just take a little bit of a paper towel. Oh, just then use the paper towel to dry out any excess liquid that was on the wipe. So look at this, look. So my quick idea, which I've been doing for years, this is something that I, just discovered myself through, wanting something quick and easy. Look at that brush. Look how lovely that brush is now. Look, it's clean and it's ready for use, and it's also dry. So I hope that tip was helpful for you, my lovelies. I'm going to move on to the next one of actually hardcore cleaning the brushes. Here we have all of my dirty brushes, and I'm going to give these a good solid clean. Now you should do this at least once a week to get rid of all that dirt, all that bacteria, and I just showed you an easy way before how you can upkeep of keeping your brushes clean without having to go through this process. But this process will keep your brushes in good condition longer, and your blend, your makeup application will be perfection if you just keep your brushes clean. So with this technique, I use this brilliant product from Revolution. It's the Pro Hygiene Sanitizing Solid Brush Cleaner. This is a really great product, and it's only £5. You shouldn't be paying any more for your makeup brushes. I mean, look at that, this lasts ages, and it's perfect, this is what you really need. All of these other companies charging you've got £20, £18, it's far too much money. I must alliterate that my brushes are all synthetic brushes. I don't use any natural brushes. So with natural brushes, usually when you're cleaning them with any products, you're going to strip them of their natural oils. So sometimes you need to put a conditioning oil onto your natural brushes. But I'm a vegan, so I prefer to use synthetic brushes. They work the best for me. So this is how the process works for me with cleaning these brushes. So I turn on my tap and I get all of the brushes wet, massage the water into them. Of course, I'm not going to show you how I clean them all. I'll show you how I clean a couple so you understand the process. And yeah, just get these all nice and wet, because what I'm doing is I'm prepping them now. So all the brushes are wet, so I can go straight on to the soap cleaning process with that brilliant Revolution block of soap. Now all my brushes are clean. I will take one of my brushes, and what I do is I basically just start to swirl them into the soap cleaning product, and I start with just getting the top covered, and then I roll it round so I'm getting all of the sides, and then I flatten the brush so it gets a deeper soap penetration into those bristles of the brush. Now what I do here is I just massage that soap in, then I turn the water on, and this is where the magic happens, where we get a beautiful cleanliness to our brushes. Here we go. Just give that a... What I do, always swirl it with my hands and make sure that there's no soap coming off before I dry the brush. Now, this is clean, but I can still see there's a little bit of product still left there, so wipe some of this off with that wipe there, and just have another little swirl around on the sides. It's just the top there, the tips that aren't getting clean. Give it another massage into the brush, like so. Then go back to the water. And there's no soap bubbles coming off. So then I transfer this over to some tissue paper, and I give that a really nice roll around the sides of the brush, and I also fan the brush to get on the inside. And I can also pick up the tissue paper. So that's probably 85% dry. So then I put them onto a tray with some more tissue powder, and never dry your brushes standing up like that, because this is the ferrule part of the brush. The ferrule part of the brush is that has all the glue that glues the bristles to the brush. If you have your makeup brushes standing upright like this, any moisture that's left in the bristles will get down into the ferrule and will interfere with the glue, and then you're going to lose bristles, and you're wasting money because you're not treating your brushes with the respect that they deserve. So I always dry my brushes. I have a little towel on this tray, as you can see, and I just put it on the tray like so. And what I also do, when I have a few brushes that are of similar size, I will pick them all up at the same time and give them a little swirl into the brick there. This is kind of like me multitasking, a way of getting the job done quicker on more brushes. And again, I massage them in first. As you can see, all the makeup is coming out there. Turn the tap on and swirl around, always in circular motions I use. And to make sure that there's no soap left on, I bring my hand away from the water to make sure that there's no product left there. No, that's pretty much done. Then back to the towel, where dab, 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 get rid of that excess water. Get rid of that excess water, which will help when you're drying on the paper towel. So there's 3 brushes done, smaller brushes done. Now how quick was that? That was done in extra time. Here are all my brushes, lovely and clean and ready to use. I hope that was informative for you. I hope it was helpful. I hope it gave you some ideas that you can use. Wherever you are, keep safe, stay happy, be positive, and have a great week, great month, great year, whenever you're watching this. And I will leave you on this last note. Remember, like the great Buddha said, with our thoughts we make the world. So make sure they're good thoughts. Lots of love. Until next time. Bye.